Hi students, this is Viswanath, your chemistry teacher for NEET and IIT exams. In previous video, we completed some of the questions related to IIT mains exam. Now, see the next one. This compound is treated with bromine in presence of HNO. Gives A. The product A is. So, we have to identify the product in this reaction. Here, reaction of this compound with bromine in presence of light. HNO means sunlight. So bromine undergoes free radical substitution. Free radical substitution of bromine takes place in presence of light with this reactant. See the reaction. Here I am writing same reactant. See. So this is the given reactant. Here this is secondary carbon. This is primary carbon. In presence of light, free radical substitution takes place on secondary carbon. Because if we see the stability of free radicals, tertiary carbon is more stable than secondary, which is more stable than primary. So between these two carbon atoms, free radical is developed at this position, then it gives secondary free radical. It has more stability. That's why at this place free radical is formed. See this. pH, methyl, methyl, free radical. This is secondary free radical. Now methyl shifting takes place. From this position to this position, methyl shifting takes place. 1,2 methyl shift. Then we can get this is methyl, free radical, pH, Me. What type of free radical is this? This is a tertiary carbon. So tertiary carbon having free radical, it is a tertiary free radical. So between this and this, it is more stable. Now bromine free radical substitution takes place at this position. pH, Me, and methyl, here bromine. So this is the product for this reaction. Then what is the suitable option? This is the product. Suitable option means option C is the correct answer. Next, which of the following will have lower pKa value? 4 compounds are given. Lowest one we should identify. pKa value having low value. So pKa means based upon Ka value we can determine pKa value. Ka means acidic character is more, then Ka value is more. Ka value is more, pKa value is less, because Ka and pKa both are inversely related. Generally for this type of questions we can get answer based on Ka value, or how these compounds donate protons to other substance. Based on these two factors we can get the answer, but here in a different way we can get the answer, that is stability of ions formed by these compounds. Based on that we can get the answer. Let us see how it is possible. See the first compound, cyclopentadiene. This is the given compound. This compound, by donating proton, we can get anion, that is this. So this anion having electrons in delocalization, so it is aromatic. Here electrons are, how many electrons are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 electrons in delocalization. That's why it exhibits aromatic character. Second one, cyclobutene. This compound, by donating proton, we can get this anion, cyclobutene. Here how many electrons? 4 electrons. 4 electrons are not in conjugation, are not in delocalization. 1 2 3 4, 4 electrons are there, but these are not in delocalization, so it is non-aromatic. Non-aromatic compound. Next, third one is cyclopropene. This compound, after donating proton, we can get anion, this one. Here also 4 electrons in delocalization. 4 electrons in delocalization, so this is identically equal to this one. Anti-aromatic. This is anti-aromatic nature. Next, fourth one. What is this? Heptene, cycloheptatriene. See this? This compound, by donating proton, we can get this anion. Here 8 electrons. 8 electrons in delocalization. So it is identically equal to this one. It is an anti-aromatic compound, anti-aromatic species. So in this way, based on the formation of anion after donation of proton, we can get different types of species: aromatic, non-aromatic, anti-aromatic. Now in these 3 types, if we see the stability order, see here, stability order is aromatic greater than non-aromatic greater than anti-aromatic. So aromatic compounds having more stability and anti-aromatic compounds having least stability. Highest stability aromatic compounds, least one anti-aromatic. Here compound 3 and 4 both can form anti-aromatic species. Between these two, which one having more stability? Means compound 4 has more resonating structures than 3. So compound 4 having more stability than 3. So stability order is, first one is aromatic greater than, second one greater than, fourth one greater than, third one. Now this is the stability order. Here after donating proton, the formed anions having these stability means Which anion having more stability that corresponding compound can donate proton easily? So option 1 having more acidic nature. First compound has more acidic nature. That means first compound has lower pKa value. That's all. Then what is the answer? Option A is the answer. I hope you understood the answer. Okay, students. So the formed anion having more stability means that corresponding compound can donate proton easily. That means it has more acidic character. Acidic character is more means pKa value is less. That's why option A is the